So today we got another project on this 2012 Jeep JKU. Still got the factory running boards on it, and they're not terrible, but as everybody knows, they're just these cheap plastic ones. We're gonna swap them out with some metal steps today, and we'll show you how to take these off if you're trying to remove yours, and also how to put some new ones on as we upgrade this Jeep here a little bit. So these are made by JOYTUTUS. And if you want to grab some of these steps, we'll put a link down below in the comments and in the description so you can pick some up if you like these particular steps that we're throwing on today. And down here what you'll see is you got a series of bolts coming through basically the rocker panel here. And so we're going to remove these nuts off of these. Then we've got these bolts going up through the brackets to sort of a little bit further back here on this rocker setup. So you got one here, one on that bracket, one on that bracket down there, and then these nuts that we need to take off. We got one here, basically two surrounding each one of these brackets with one extra one there thrown in and one down at the end. So we're gonna pull these off. Now I know the question that a lot of you are asking as you start this project is, what size sockets do I need? You will be very surprised that the larger ones are a 13, of course, and the smaller ones are a 10. So the 13s are easy. You can use a impact or drill or whatever you want on those. So that's the 3 of these 13s that go up through the brackets. All right, then we're going after these little 10s. Use whatever you want to get them. It is a little tight in here, so I'm just going to use, and they're pretty small. So I'm just going to use a little ratchet. Probably got mud and dirt and everything under here, like I do. So you can end up just taking the nuts off of them. The bolt itself is going to stay there for now. That one wanted to get stuck in there a little bit. Just had to pull down on the wrench or the ratchet while doing it. All right, now we've got the 6 nuts out of the rocker panel here. We've got the 3 bolts that went up through the rocker panel, the bigger ones. And at that point, you can just pull this and kind of twist a little bit, and you'll get the main thing off. The middle one on ours didn't have the middle bracket right there. Slide that out of the way. The middle bracket here didn't have any bolts going up, so you do just pull that one off. I save all these brackets and make other stuff out of them. It's good strong steel with kind of funky shapes on them a lot of times, nice bins and things like that. So I just throw those in the steel bin. And at that point, we've got our first one off. Do the same thing on the other side as well. So these are made by JOYTUTUS. You can find these online. They got a cool design to them. I like the stars and stripes on them. Construction of them seems very solid. Look like the welds and stuff are pretty good on them. I noticed the paint is a little bit light on the bracket side, so you may want to touch that up a little bit. And the end caps, plastic end caps, we'll just have to see how well those seal. As you can see, they don't look super tight on there. So I might run a bead of caulk around those just to make sure that it's not getting water inside of it. Let's throw them on and see how they fit. So this is something I like to see. We get a lot of these parts to review, and this is something you don't always get. Instructions. So it's got the hardware packaged pretty well. Some brackets in here. So we will go ahead and get this out and check it out. So as you can see, you're going to put 3 brackets, same place as the brackets were before. It shows you the way that the hardware is set up for these brackets, and the running boards will mount to those brackets. So first we're going to mount these brackets under the rocker panel. It tells you which ones you need. You need 2 3s and 1 4. So the way you can tell is just look at the picture and you see that the front of the bracket has this little sort of elbow coming off of it. And so you need 2 of them going to the right and 1 of them going to the left for this side. This is the 4. So now we got all the hardware out. We're gonna throw on the brackets. You'll see you got 4 of a kind. Then you got 2 brackets that are marked with a side on them. They're a little bit bigger than the other ones too. So left is gonna be the driver's side, right is gonna be the passenger side, and those unique ones go towards the back, so under the back door. Each one is gonna get a series of hardware that it tells you there in the pictures, so you just follow the instructions. So at this time, we're just loosely assembling that. We got the small bolt coming through here, the larger bolt going up into the rocker, and they want you to leave it loose, I'm sure, until you hook the running board on, and then you can tighten it all up. Okay, so this is the passenger side, got those 3 brackets on. The one towards the rear wheel is the one that is side specific. These other ones, there's 4 that are all the same. Now we're gonna throw the running board on, the larger step under the front door, smaller step under the back door. So you're gonna use these round head bolts. The square shoulder on them has to go into the running board. So they're coming in right here. You can see on the bracket side, it's a round hole. On the running board side, it's a square hole. They're gonna take the You're gonna take the square shouldered one, put it in from the running board side, throw the nut on there. Right now we're just finger tightening them all. You have to go back through them, crank them all down. Also the brackets are not tight, because they want you to leave that loose until you get the running board on there to make sure all the spacing and everything's correct. Then you're going to go back through and just crank all this other hardware down. And there we go. Fully installed. So you can see it from the passenger's door, lower step there, that's the one you're going to use to get in most of the time. There's an upper step here, I guess for really short people, or what I would use this for is when I'm washing the Jeep. These give you a lot better grip than when you're on those little plastic ones. And you got the back one there as well. So I like the design a lot. I like that you got the lower steps, got the upper steps. They went on very easy. All that was good. Only thing that I would probably change on them if I was designing them is I would put this higher up. I would kind of bring this, you can see there's like a little bit of a gap here. I would probably bring that whole thing up higher and close that gap. Other than that, they're cool. I like them. This piece here, you can actually remove. There's a black piece of metal under there. You can remove it. You can spray paint it with a secondary color if you want that to have just kind of a little custom touch as well. So these are made by JOYTUTUS. And you can find these online. We'll drop a link down below. Amazon, if you want to get some of these, they make some other models as well. Let us know what you think about this project. Thanks for watching.